Alright, let's see if this works this time. What's going on, everyone? Welcome in, welcome in. Hope you're having a good Sunday. Just making sure this goes up. Gonna be running the second break here. I'm gonna let a couple people get in. Just want to make sure it's working. Alright, yep. We're good. It's live now. Alright, we'll go for the team list real quick. Got CDE with the Cardinals, AJ Sports Sales with the Falcons, Feels Good with the Ravens, 6G with the Bills, BDGH with the Panthers, Bugs Bunny with the Bengals, WJ Oliver with the Browns, Feels Good with the Cowboys, EV with the Broncos, Feels Good with the Lions and Packers, CDE with the Texans, PH with the Colts, Feels Good with the Jags, Bugs Bunny with the Chiefs, Feels Good with the Raiders, Bugs Bunny with the Chargers, Raid with the Rams, WJ with the Dolphins and Vikings, Arslarv with the Patriots, WJ with the Saints, Giants, Jets, Eagles, Steelers, and 49ers, Feels Good with the Seahawks, Diesel Collectibles with the Buccaneers, CDE with the Titans, and Ty Webb with the Commanders. All right. Get ripping here in 1 second. Hope everyone's having a good Sunday. Get my other glove on. We'll get ripping. Get my other glove on. Oh, let me mute that. All right, good luck, everyone. Box number 1. Going on, Chris? Hope you're having a good Sunday. Box number 1. Starting off with Kershawn Johnson for the Jets. Pink Tony Mandarch for Green Bay. Jerry Rice All Chrome Team. And Edgerrin Cooper for the Packers. Josh Cribbs for the Browns. Jace McKellen on the Sepia. Future Stars Troy Franklin for the Broncos. And a silver Jalen McMillan. He had a good first rookie year, for sure. Ben Coates for New England. We got a numbered, looks like a quarterback, Michael Hall Jr. Silver, Furman Thomas. And our numbered is going to be for Houston. Bang! CJ Stroud. Let's go, Chris. Got 26 out of 399 for Stroud. There we go. Starting off hot with the QBs. Hitting our guy for Chris. Here we go. Starting off hot. Let's keep it rolling. Jim McMahon, Tim Brown on the pink etch, Frank Gore on Legends of the Gridiron, and Galen Carson for Dallas. Paul Krause for Minnesota, hyper of Everson Walls, Keon Coleman on the 1974 insert, and we're seeing Caleb Williams for the first time in this break right here on the base. Kurt Warner, Dan Hampton, Jason Witten silver, and Devontae Walker. Last pack of the first box. Got Marshall Faulk, James White on the sepia, Barry Sanders silver, and Spencer Rattler for New Orleans. We'll take it. Good first box. Let's keep it rolling. What's going on, Z? Welcome in. Charles Tillman for the Bears. Pink on the Ron Janowski. Terrell Davis, Sunday Swag. And Tadondre Sweat for the Titans. Chris Carter for the Vikings. Dexter Manley for Washington. Finesse Caleb Williams. And Xavier Worthy silver. Take those two right there. Oh. The Fridge for Chicago. You've Quake Chop Robinson, pink for Miami. James White, silver for New England. And Carter Bradley for Las Vegas. Rob Gronkowski for New England. Emmitt Smith for Dallas. All-Etch Troy Aikman for Dallas. And Jace McEllen for Atlanta. Michael Irving for Dallas. Calvin Hill for Dallas. Youthquake Caleb Williams. Got a Caleb Williams break so far. Darius Robinson for Arizona. Deuce McAllister for the Saints. Pink Keon Coleman for Buffalo. Silver Patrick Willis. And Troy Fadanu for Pittsburgh. Last pack of this box, and I'll take care of a couple cards. Danny White for Dallas. Joe Thomas on the Sepia. Malik Neighbors on the Future Stars. And Will Shipley. take care of a couple cards here. Dun, 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 dun. On to the next box. Box number 3. Let's keep the hits coming in. Ty Law. Got a pink Terrence Newman. All Chrome team Ray Lewis. And another Keon Coleman for Buffalo. It's a nice hit right there. Eric Molds. Liatu Latu on the Sepia for Indianapolis. Brock Bowers, Future Stars. And Tyler Newbin for New York. Looks like we've got a numbered card there. Swing it. Got Marvin Harrison Jr. Tim Tebow on the silver for Denver. Nice card. And our numbered is going to be going to Dallas. Larry Allen out of 275. We'll take that. Nice hit, Dallas. Jonathan Ogden, Chris Johnson, Pink Sunday Swag, Brett Favre on the Legends of the Gridiron, and Edgerrin Cooper on the back. There might be a second video because it wasn't popping up at first. I thought I deleted that one. It was only like a minute long because it just wasn't popping up into the Facebook feed at first. Bill Bates, Will Levis on the 1974, and Michael Hall Jr. Okay. Yeah, just make sure it's not the first break, though. Charles Tillman, Andre Whitworth, Dante Hall Silver, and Kalen Carson for Dallas. And last pack. Chris Carter, Brian Dawkins Sepia, William Perry All-Chrome Team, and Devontae Walker. No, nothing was opened on that one. I didn't even go for the team list on that one. I was just trying to make sure it worked, and I couldn't get it to pop up in the Facebook for whatever reason, so I just... So I just completely restarted it. Alright, after I top load this card here, we're on to box number 4. 2 numbered cards so far. Let's get another couple numbered cards, at least, and another auto. Dalton Hillard, Pink Larry Allen for Dallas, nice. Tom Ratham, and Jazar Newton for the Commanders. Walter Payton. For the Titans, we got a Sepia Tiandre Sweat, Caleb Williams on the Future Stars, and Javon Dillard for Green Bay. Another numbered card here. Swing it. Got Andre Adisa Isaac, Boomer Hassan Silver, Ty Law covering the numbered. Numbered card is going to be for Miami, and it's going to be Ricky Williams. I can't even read that. 178 out of 275. Nice hit on the last second pickup mojo. Eric Moulds for Buffalo. Barry Sanders, pink, Legends of the Gridiron. Jerry Rice, Legends of the Gridiron. And Trey Benson for Arizona. Randy Moss for the Vikings. Hyper Bob Greasy for Miami. Adrian Peterson, 1974 insert for Minnesota. And a Brock Bowers for Las Vegas. Ooh, there's a thick pack here. Wonder what's in it. I don't know if there's any patches in there. Oh, I think that is that a patch? No, maybe. I can't tell if that's a patch. I think it is. Jonathan Ogden. Oh, it is. Xavier Worthy patch for the Chiefs. There we go. Unnumbered. Still a sweet patch. Tony Manchard. And Brendan Rice. Do I have any thick top loaders near me? Let me see. It's not a super thick patch. Let's leave that right here for now, and I'll find a thick top loader later, because I don't have any thick ones next to me. Norman Crowell, Mario Manningham Sepia, Charles Woodson, and TJ Tampa, rookie for Baltimore. Alright, on to the next box. And this box got a little dent on it at the top, so you know what that means. Dents are good luck, hopefully. They usually are. So let's see if this is good luck. Sebastian Janikowski, Cadell McCannerell for Jacksonville on the pink, John Hanna all chrome team, and Terrion Arnold for the Lions. Brett Favre for the Packers, Darius Robinson Sepia for the Cardinals, Chris Baswell, Future Stars, and Jalen Ford for the Saints on the silver. Got another numbered card here. Swing it. We got Estimame for the Broncos, Ray Lewis Silver for the Ravens, Joe Green covering the numbered. Let's see what Mean Joe Green's covering. For the Saints, out of 99, we got Talisi Fauga, 80 out of 99. It's a good looking card. Peyton Manning, Charles Woodson, pink all-chrome team, Dan Marino, Legends of the Gridiron, and for the Panthers, Jonathan Brooks, rookie. Earl Campbell. Hyper of Brian Dawkins. Jaden Daniels on the 1974 insert. And Bo Nix. There we go. Got 2 quarterbacks in that pack. Jan Sturdnick, Bryce Young, Silver Ed Too-Tall Jones, and Sam Hartman. Not the quarterback we are looking for. Mark Rypien, Ted Busky on the Sepia, CJ Stroud, Silver Sunday Swag, and Cole Bishop. Dun, 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 dun. Got Justin Tuck, pink DeMarco Murray for Dallas, James Harrison all Chrome team, and Javen Bullard for the Packers. Larry Allen, Sepia of Kamari Lassiter. There we go. Future Stars, Jaden Daniels, and a silver Joe Alt behind him. Ooh, is that out of 5? 4 out of 5. I think. That's what I thought I saw. I could be wrong. Green Bay. And for Oakland. 4 out of 5. Tim Brown. Wow. What a hit. What a hit. 4 out of 5. Tim Brown for Oakland. Bang. Congratulations. Boom. What a hit. That is going home to feels good. Boom. He is feeling good. Four out of 5. Congratulations. Let's keep it going. Herman Moore, CJ Stroud, all etch pink, Nice, Chris. Kurt Warner's Legend of the Gridiron and Worthy base. Joey Porter, Dan Faust on the Hyper, Malik Neighbors on the 1974 insert, and Troy Franklin. Ooh, what is this? This case hit? Looks like it, potentially. Keon Mitchell, Walter Payton. Let's see what this is. Urban Legends, Barry Sanders for the Lions. Bang. That's definitely, I don't know if it's a case hit, but that is definitely short print. Boom. Oh. Patrick Willis. Mike Quick. Ray Lewis on the Silver Legends, and Jalen McMillan. Bang. We got 4 boxes left. Let's do a little halftime juice with these two right here. See if the last Prestige hanger on the shelf has anything to offer. Man, these hangers are kind of hard to open. Justin Tucker. Buka. Yeah, that was a box. Case hit and an out of 5. That's insane. Brian Burns, Daniel Jones. Our rookies. Ladd. Trash. Chop Robinson. Kinchins. Rookie Tyreek Smith and Evan Ingram. TJ Watt. Alma Maters. Any Given Sunday on Njoku. And Youth Movement Gibbs on the back. We'll take it. Nice hit for the Lions. And let's see what the 6 base cards out of this Prezi are. I think that. I mean, got Keshawn Baker, Chuck Long. Ooh. It's actually a nice card. For the Panthers, it is Muhsin Muhammad. It's actually a nice card out of that. Ray Donaldson, Jerome Henderson, and Alfred Morris on the TOPPS Chrome. Year two card. So that one wasn't as bad as the first one we opened. Alright, 4 boxes left. Good luck to anyone that hasn't hit yet. Let's get you a hit. Moose. Come on. Come on, let's get whoever hasn't gotten a hit yet a hit. What's everyone looking for? Jason Witten. Pink Justin Tuck. It's a nice card. John Elway, Sunday Swag. And J.C. Latham for the Titans. Donovan McNabb. Delaney Walker. Devin Hester, Finesse. And Silver Lassiter for the Texans. What is this here? Ed Too Tall Jones. Josh Cribbs on the pink finesse. It's a nice card. Steve Grogan and Rook Oraford. Yeah, I'm excited for that Illusions one. I love Illusions. Wayne Grebbett. Larry Johnson. Oh, that's J.J. Watt. Nice hit for the Texans. And Barton for Tampa Bay. DeMarco Murray. Devontae Walker Hyper for the Ravens. Youthquake Brock Bowers. Nice. And Fauga. Take Bowers. Take any Bowers. Oakland's Eaton. Got a pink right here. Darrelle Revis. Pink Corley. It's a nice card right there. Joey Porter Silver and Latu. Oh, what is that there? It's like a silver Youthquake. Troy Aikman. Darren Woodson for Dallas on the Sepia. Ricky Parcell, silver Youthquake. We'll take it. And Marshawn Lloyd. Three boxes left. Rodney Hampton. Pink Herman Moore. Bruce Smith All-Chrome Team. And Jackson Power Johnson. Tony Hill. Carter Bailey on the Sepia for Las Vegas. Andre Sweat, Future Stars, and Troy Franklin Silver for Denver. Oh, another numbered. Swing it. We got Michael Wiley, Willie Gout for the Bears. Our numbered is going to be out of 99 for Washington. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, it's an auto. Come on. No, it's not. I'm sorry. It is. It looked like an auto. My bad. It is first off the print line. 1 out of 199 for Michael Wiley for Washington. Billy Sims, C.J. Stroud pink. Chris, you're eating with Stroud. Michael Irvin and Vidal. Bang. Dermontti Dawson. Paris Johnson on the Hyper. Ricky Purcell on the 1974. And Jalen Wright for Miami. George Teague, Eli Manning on the base, Kendall McKellen on the silver, and Roman Wilson for the Steelers. Haven't seen much of Roman Wilson in this break or real life. Frank Gore, Steve Morgan on the Sepia, silver Brian Dawkins all-chrome team, and Chop Robinson. All right, 2 boxes left. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Let's get an auto in these last 2 boxes. Great break so far. Let's get an auto or another 1 or 2 nice numbered cards to close out this break. Mohamed Masson, pink John Hanna for the Patriots, Dan Marino, and Theo Johnson. Randall Cunningham, Joe Montana, finest Jonathan Brooks, and silver Troy Fatanu. Chad Johnson. What we got here? Bang! Pink 1974 Caleb Williams, Mario Manningham silver, and then an Austin Reed. It's a nice Caleb right there. We'll take that for sure. John Hanna. Future. Ooh. Okay. Future Stars auto for the Redskins of Jazari Newton. Let's see if this is numbered. Unnumbered. We'll still take it, though. Nice hit for the Commanders. All etch Anthony Richardson and Chris Braswell for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Yeah, hobby hits for sure. This is a good half of the case. Drew Parsons, John Randall on the Hyper, stuck together. Youthquake Cooper DeJean for the Eagles, take that, and Joe Alt for the Chargers. Justin Tuck. Pink Nate Wiggins for Baltimore. Nice hit. Silver Ron Jarowski. Javonte Sanders for Carolina. Larry Allen. We got a Cephia Mel Renfro. Finesse Keon Coleman silver, nice. And Lab McConkey for the Chargers. All right. For our last box, good luck, everyone. You guys are used to the cat blessing. Let's see if the Ewok's good luck. Let's bless the box with the Ewok. Come on. Come on. Come on, Warwick. Let's pull a banger out of this last box. Good luck, everyone. Let's get a banger. Let's get a banger here out of the last box. Ron Jarowski. Pink Drew Parsons for the Cowboys. Troy Polamalu for All Chrome Team. And there we go. Neighbors for the Giants. Herman Moore. Sepia TJ Tampa. Future Stars Lassiter and Will Shipley on the silver for the Eagles. One last, I think that's a numbered. One last numbered. Blake Corum. Joe Thomas silver. And our numbered is going to be for Minnesota out of 399. Dante Culpepper. Almost color match. That's a sweet card right there. Bang. There we go. One last hit for the road for the Vikings. Brian Dawkins, Pink All Chrome Team. Eli Manning's Legends of Gridiron, and Dallas Turner. Patrick Willis, Jim Kelly Hyper, Nate Wiggins on the 1974 insert, and Cade Stover. McCardle, Neil Smith, Silver Herman Moore, and Luke McCaffrey on the base. Last pack, good luck. Let's get one last hit for someone. Fred Blankenhoff on the sepia for Oakland. Jamal Charles, Silver Sunday Swag. And Chris Abrams Drain for Denver. It's a pretty solid break all around. I will do a hit recap for you guys now. Pink All Chrome Team, Brian Robinson. Malik Neighbors base. Lad McConkey base. Silver Finesse Keon Coleman. Ricky Parcells 1974, Stroud Pink Sunday Swag, Troy Franklin silver, Ricky Parcells silver Youthquake, Malachi Corley, pink rookie. Youthquake for Brock Bowers base. Malik Neighbors 1974 base. Pink all-etched Stroud. Future Stars Jaden Daniels, Joe Alt Silver, Teddy Bruschi Sepia, Stroud on the Sunday Swag Silver, Sam Hartman, Bo Nix base, Jaden McDaniels 1974 base, Charles Woodson Pink All Chrome Team, Barry Sanders Pink Legends of the Gridirons, Brock Bowers base, Mario Manningham Sepia, Caleb Williams Future Stars, Chris Johnson Pink Sunday Swag, Brian Dawkins Sepia, William Perry All Chrome Team, Marvin Harrison base, Tim Tebow Silver, Latu Sepia, Brock Bowers Future Stars, Caleb Williams Finesse, Youthquake Pink Chop Robinson, Caleb Williams Youthquake, Keon Coleman Pink, Malik Neighbors Future Stars, Spencer Rattler base, Caleb Williams base, and then we got right here, it will be in a top later, don't worry, Xavier Worthy, unnumbered patch. And then let's get these all in line. Jalen McMillan Silver, Xavier Worthy Silver, Caleb Williams Pink 1974, Larry Allen Purple 226 out of 275, Dante Culpepper Pink Disco or Pink Speckle 377 out of 399, Ricky Williams Purple Speckle 178 out of 275, Jazari Newton Future Stars Auto. First off the print lines, 1 out of 199, Michael Wiley Green Speckle. Talisi Fagu out of 99. I can't read if that's 60 or 80 out of 99. CJ Stroud, 26 out of 399. And then the two biggest hits of the break, Tim Brown, 4 out of 5. And Urban Legends case hit, Barry Sanders. Leave those right there. Thanks again, everyone, for being a part of this break. We greatly appreciate it over here at Z Squad. We will have some more breaks for you this weekend for sure. Or next weekend for sure. Just keep your eyes on the lookout, and we'll also have them posted. Thanks again. Hope everyone enjoys the rest of your